Hey guys, so I cut my nails and I'm coming today to you guys with a new video on my restoration of my nails, how I'll be shaping them, buffing them. I cut my nails really short because, as you can see, this pinky got cut down all the way to the numb. Now this is, I believe, maybe a month or so of growth, because it was all the way to the numbs when all the rest of them were really long. So when that happened, I cut all of them down, as well as this one was cut all the way to the numb, so there was no way in restoring that. I even did the nail glue, because as you guys know, if I have like a slight little cut of nail in the edge that can get fixed, I'll fix it with nail glue. But when it came down to all the way to the numb, there was no fixing whatsoever. So temporarily what I did was I applied these press-on nails and till my nail got somewhat a little bit long. So now it's about time that I restore my nails and do the whole process. This is my cuticle oil from Sally Hansen. I'm almost done with that. My nail strengthener that I'll be using, nail polish I will be using is this Sinful Colors in the color Taupe is Chic. So yeah, so that is that. And then top coat I will be using is this Sèche Vite. It says you don't need a UV light for it, so yeah, so that is that. I have my buffer that has 4 sides, my cuticle nail pusher. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this side and then move on to this side when buffing my nails, because as you can see, the nail glue is still in there. So yeah, I'll be doing that, and let's get started. Okay, so once you are done buffing your nails, I will go ahead and push them with my cuticle, and I'm gonna use this slightly slanted side, and you don't want to be too rough with it. So just push it a bit. Doing this will help your nail grow, just because the cuticle oil is really penetrating deep in there. And this is just a technique I use for when doing my nails. Okay, now that we have done that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my cuticle oil. I'm almost done with this. I can't wait to be done with this. And you're gonna go ahead and do this with all your nails. This also takes care of all those dust particles that you got when buffing your nails. Alright, now that we got our cuticle oil on, you see how much brighter they look. All that leftover nail glue is gone, so now you have a clean slate to put on your nail strengthener. So all your nails, underneath, on the edges, and all of that. And it is gonna be a little bit messy underneath. Like you might get it on the skin, but that's fine. It comes off easily. Now that we have done that, I'm gonna go ahead and shape them. You see how this one is like a coffin shape, straight at the end? That's how I'll be doing for the rest of them with my straight nail cutter. Okay, we have now shaped them, and now I will go ahead and apply my nail polish. So now that we have our top coat on, as well as shaped our nails to the desired look that we want, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my nail polish. Okay, final step is now going in with our top coat. And there you have it, finished nails. So we're gonna give these time to dry, but after that final step you're pretty much done. And I love the way my nails turned out. So we're gonna go again with the process of letting our natural nails grow. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.